Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to my tutorial on how to play Ramble on acoustic guitar with totally open chords. The guitar is tuned standard E-A-D-G-B-E. And the reason why I'm calling it totally open chords is we're not going to play any bar chords at all. I came up with a way to play this song with all open chords. Now I'm not sure exactly how Jimmy Page played this song. I'm simply showing you the way that I play it. We're going to start with the intro chord progression, which is also used for all the verses. And it sounds something like this. Now the chords we're going to use in this tutorial are a little bit out of the box. So use chord tutorial number 307 on this channel by clicking the link in the description below. We're going to start the song by going to a high E chord up here. Move down to a D/E chord like that. That's just an E shape moved way up on the neck like this. So that's E, D/E, and then we're going to move down to E suspended 4 like this, and move from E suspended 4 to an E7 suspended 4 like this. So that was. Then we're going to go to an A chord, A suspended 4, and I got that by plugging my pinky in on the G string. And then we'll go to an open G chord like that. Now open G is simply those three strings right there, the D, G, and B string, and then an A chord like that. So here's the entire chord progression as far as the chords go. E, D/E, E suspended 4, E7 suspended 4, A suspended 4, open G, and A. And we're going to play it like this. Now here's our pattern for playing that as far as the strumming goes. We're going to go to the E chord, so that's down, up, down. Then we'll go to the D/E chord, down like that. So here we go. Then we'll go to the E suspended 4, and the E7 suspended 4. So on the E suspended 4, it's going to be down, and then the E7 suspended 4 down. So like that, two down strums. Then we're going to go to the A and down strum, another down strum, and I hammered on that A suspended 4 like that. Now after I do those two initial strums, I'm going to go this way. For this pattern, we'll go down, down, up, up, down, down, up, down. Our up strum was on the open G. And when we're doing that part, we're trying to get a melody from the chords that sounds like this. And we get it this way. Now, let's look at a couple of variations in the way these chords are strummed. On the first variation, we're going to go to the E chord as we normally did and go. So when we got to the A, we went. So on the down strums, we're hammering on that A suspended 4 with the pinky. So it's down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down, up. It sounds like this. Our second variation sounds like this. In order to play that, when we got down to our A, we went down, down, up, down, 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 down. Now you really have to work to get back to those E's. Next, we've got a little pre-chorus break. And it's going to sound something like this. For that break, we're going to go to an E chord, strike it once, an A7 suspended 4/E, B7 suspended 4/E, and then an A, back to A7 suspended 4/E, and then back to E. Now that's going to be played this way, basically, and then I'll show you a little bit of a variation on the strum. Now what I like to do is simulate a strumming pattern while I'm playing that so it has more rhythm, which is more like this. So basically what I was doing there is down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. Lots more rhythm that way. Next is going to be our chorus strum, and it's going to go something like this. Now we can do this part two ways. We can go up here to this E chord and just go. That's down, up, down, up, down. Then we'll go down to an E minor 11 here. And we're going to slide up to an A suspended 4, like that. So it's going to be, and all the strings are open. Now sometimes you'll see my thumb over the strings like this. That's because my thumb is long, okay, and it winds up there. I am not playing anything on this low string with my thumb, okay? Everything is open. I'm keeping that low E string open at all times, okay? So we're going to go from an E minor 11 to an A suspended 4, sliding it. Just like that. That's down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Just like that. Now that in-between strumming is up, 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 like this. On the upstroke, getting a muted strums. So here we go. Now there's another way that we can play this. We can simulate the electric guitar when we're playing this part like this. Now that was the E major down to the D/E. So here we go. The only thing we have left is a short bridge, and it goes something like this. Now I play that bridge by simply going to my A and plugging in my A suspended 4 like that, and this is how I play it. Now I'm adding that suspended 4 on the up strum. Down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, back to the song. Well, all right. That's how I play Ramble On using open chords on the acoustic guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.